Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at GPT4o and its capabilities for data analysis. This is going to be a completely unedited and unscripted video. I'm going to be just taking a look at how we can directly use ChatGPT in a live video and how we can use it for data analysis. So we'll see its pitfalls, if it works very well, if it doesn't work very well, what works for it, and how it will help data analysts, or is it even important for data analysts in the future to learn these technologies, or ChatGPT can just do their work for them. You can make up your mind at the end of the video. So let's take a look at it step by step. But before we dive right into it, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest of data analytics across different technologies. So let's copy the file. I'm using the same class dataset that I've used in all my previous data science videos. Okay, and let's paste it in this ChatGPT window. And let's take a look at exactly how it works. So I've not typed anything, I've not prepared a prompt. I'm going to do it right from scratch. So simple prompt, let us type analyze this data set for me. Let's see how it does. Submit the prompt. And now you can see it is generating the code and it is also interpreting the code. I like this feature very much because it gives me the code. I can copy paste the code and use it. I always set this detail as show details. You can hide this, but I always like to see the code. I also copy the code and I execute it in my Jupyter notebook myself. So let's see the results. So it's given me what are the column names and what are the meanings of this column names. So it's very cool. It has already given me the column names and what it feels each column name means. Okay, and it is also telling me what steps I should do in analytics. So I can do descriptive statistics, distribution analysis, correlation analysis, and group analysis. And we have already seen all these concepts in my previous Excel and other videos. So if you have not taken a look at that, do take a look at that. It'll help you understand these concepts better. In this video, I am only covering ChatGPT's 4o capabilities on how it can do data analysis and if it can completely eliminate data analysts, or it can be used to augment their abilities. So now it is automatically done. It has analyzed and showed you the descriptive statistics. So these are the descriptive statistics of each of the numerical fields. Okay, the count, mean, standard deviation, the first, second, and third quartile, and the maximum values. Okay, it has also explained the summary statistics for you. So as to know what is the mean, the range. Pretty good, I would say. Okay, so it's done this for all the numerical variables and also some of the categorical variables, which I would like to do separately actually. But again, I have not given it any clear specific instructions. I've only asked it to analyze my data set. We can see later on how, if we give it clear specific instructions, how it performs better. So now it is going to visualize the data for me. Again, very nice visualizations, simple histograms and current density plots of all the numerical variables. Okay, it has done it quite well. See, it is mentioned, as we discussed, these are the histograms, and is given this interpretation also. Obviously it has done it for some categorical variables as well, because categorical variables also you can see, for example, this is a categorical variable because only 3 values, 4, 6 and 8, right? So you can know that. Then it has tried to plot the correlation matrix. Again, nothing I've asked it to do anything specific, still it has done the basic steps. Okay, we have taken a look at this also in Excel to find the relationship between 2 variables. And okay, it is, I think, exhausted its token size. So let's see if we can ask. Okay, so I'm using the free ChatGPT version. So you can see right now it has exhausted its limit, and if I want to ask it some questions, I can ask it later. But it seems pretty good at the first attempt and has given me a lot of data analysis. Okay, let's see. I can directly use ChatGPT now, the 3.5 version, and see. Write code to plot to perform multiple regression analysis on the above data set. And now you can see it will continue on the same. It will install it, and it will write the code for me. I can copy this code and I can execute it, and I can execute the rest of the code. So you can see how powerful this tool is, okay? And it's giving me all the data analysis with all the explanation of the analytics, the summary statistics, and the plots for the different analytics. And after that, I can copy this and put it in my Jupyter notebook. And if I want to do further analytics, then I can obviously do that by writing by giving it specific prompts. Like if I want to do regression analysis, or if I want to analyze one categorical variable against the other, or if I want to do multivariate or bivariate analysis, I can tell it to do. So you can see here the complete code it has done. It has separated the variables into X and Y variables. Okay, that is the predictor variables and the independent variable. Okay, so the target variable is Y, that is the MPG. It has automatically understood we want to predict MPG. Okay, and it has fit a linear regression model to this. So if I copy this code and execute in my Jupyter notebook, it will work. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you got a look at the power of the GPT4o. Obviously, I have used the free version, so my token size and the amount of inputs and that I can send to ChatGPT are restricted. But you can see the power. If you have the ChatGPT, plus version, you can do this. I feel it is pretty useful. It can help augment the data analysis task, but you need to understand the concepts as well. As long as you understand the concepts, you can ask it to do more complex tasks. If you like this video, do leave a like and a comment on the video, and leave a like on this video, and let me know in the comment section below any other videos that you would want me to make on this topic. Do stay tuned for the latest of data analytics across different technologies. Thank you.